It's match day 5 of the 2023 Concacaf Gold Cup, which means we have Group A back in action. Will Trinidad and Tobago secure a win to secure their spot in the knockout stages, or will Jamaica and the USA win their games and leave it all to play for in the final match day? Only time will tell. What's up, sports fans? My name is Chris. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of The Starting 11. We are a daily soccer betting show that focuses on all major domestic leagues, as well as world and European competitions. Today's Wednesday, June 28th, and in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the two Concacaf Group A match games that we have slated for Wednesday's card, and we're going to be offering a best bet or a lean in either one of those contests. Now, before we get into the plays, if you haven't already smashed the like button, please go ahead and do so now. If we can smash 50 likes on the video, that'd be phenomenal. And if you guys are new around here watching for the first time, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're on our way to 600 subscribers, which is amazing, and we got great things cooking up in the summer months like soccer, baseball, and basketball. Now, as we look at the odds boards, we have Jamaica minus 250 favorites over Trinidad and Tobago that sit at plus 850, and the draw for that game is slated at plus 320. In the nightcap, we have the United States as a large favorite at minus 6,600 over St. Kitts and Nevis that check in at plus 5,000, with that draw sitting at plus 2,000. The first play we have for you is Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, both teams to score yes at odds of plus 125. Look, I'm not exactly sure how this bet doesn't hit at such a great price. Trinidad and Tobago, most people had them as 3 games in the tournament, 3 games out of the tournament, heading home. But with a win in their first game against St. Kitts and Nevis, they've given themselves life to progress to the knockout stages. And they know this game means, the most to them if they want to see their tournament life extended beyond, the third game. They've been a goal-scoring machine of late. They've been held off the score sheet just one time over the last 16 matches in all competition. And with the way Jamaica is leaking goals of late, we expect Trinidad and Tobago to find the net at least once in this contest. As for Jamaica, sure, they looked good at times against the United States, but they did, concede plenty of possession. The United States just simply didn't create enough and, make their chances in front of goal count. They could have easily won that contest. The Jamaicans, they play sort of a bend but don't break style of defense. They have just one clean sheet over their last 22 matches in all competitions, which weirdly enough came, very recently against this very Trinidad and Tobago team. It was a 0-0 draw in a friendly international. But I don't see that happening here when the chips are down. Trinidad and Tobago have been able to score. Jamaica's defense is leaky. Jamaica is the favorite. They're probably going to get on the score sheet, one way or the other. I see a 1-1, 2-1 type game, going both ways, back and forth. And we're going to cash this ticket at a plus 125 price for both teams to score yes. As for the second game, the St. Kitts and Nevis versus United States game, I mean, what market could you really tap into that, could return a sizable profit that doesn't break the bankroll if it in fact does lose? They're priced, upwards of minus 4.5 on the Asian lines on the spread there. They're 6,600 on the money line. Definitely not laying that. The over markets are juiced, upwards of 4.5 goals. Minus 2.5 is currently minus 1,200. Minus 3.5 is somewhere around 450, minus 500. Simply put, there's no markets in this game. The United States should win by 4 or 5 goals. If you want to dabble for a small unit size, you could go 4-0 correct score at plus 600 or 5-0 correct score at also plus 600. I think those two could be worth a couple bucks on. But other than that, we're gonna just watch this game and see what American strikers can find the back of the net and how many times the entire team can do so as well. That wraps up this episode of The Starting 11. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to help support the videos, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, smash the like button, and share these pics with your friends on social media so we can all make some money together. Until next time.